सरळ जायचंय ना कोणीकडे सरळ Very good morning. We have reached at the Sondai village.
Sondai Fort.
And Sondai Fort is up above there. So we will be starting from here. Thank you. किती लांब आहे इकडून? 5 किलोमीटर.
किती टाइम लागेल?
5 मिनिट.
5 मिनिट.
Hi Vijay, how are you finding this way?
This is good, yaar. Good tracking. Good nearby road from Panvel. People can come anytime. We are having a great time.
Cheers! This is the destination, Sondai Fort. Wow!
We have covered half of the distance. We are almost approaching
No,
the
it's
fort
still
now.
not up. We are
I
not
think still
25% maybe we have covered.
15-20 minutes to go. And then we'll show you the view from
The top.
top.
See this. What a view, guys! What a view! What a wonderful morning this is!
What a view, man!
What a view, man!
What a view!
It's easy, but travel safely. The difficult part of this trek, and be very careful at this part because you go directly in. I'm up. I've crossed it without putting much efforts.
Just look at the view.
Guys,
We have almost covered 50%.
guys, see the view. Amazing photography for day. Oh. Views. यात्रा रहता है
भाई ये तो सब वीडियो वाला सीन है.
tower, and you can see the view all along. This is a lovely, awesome view, and the place that you can see is Irshal Gad, and this is another Gad. This is the view, and completely you can see the Sahyadri covering 360 degrees because
नहीं हो गया आराम से.
Almost done.
Chalo, bye. So guys, be careful guys on this stairs, and it's almost I think 60-70 degree, so be careful while you're coming down. So always going towards the top bit is easy, but you should be more careful while coming down because these slopes are straight. So to take care of yourself, please do not run because you get excited while coming down, but the excitement should be controlled. चलो 2 डुबकी तो लगाएंगे भाई. ओ
लेट हो जाएगा यार.
मोबाइल है ना मेरा आपके. एक सीट. So this is a water body. You can drink water from this place, and this is actually a storage place, and we are going down. Guys, it's fun with these guys. It's absolutely fun. They're from Karjat, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Guys, this spot is very difficult. Really understood why Dipesh Bhaiya ने मेरे को ये शूज़ ज़बरदस्ती दिला, मतलब बोला ट्रैकिंग का शूज़ ही ले। बहुत सिंपल ट्रैक है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी, बट बी केयरफुल while coming down, going up. Wear proper tracking shoes यार। ये देखो वो विजय भाई 3-4 बार स्लिप होते होते बचे हुए हैं, इसके लिए इट्स बेटर टू वेयर अ गुड ग्रिप शूज। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू बाय अ न्यू ट्रैकिंग शूज वगैरह वगैरह, बट जो स्लिप ना हो वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो यार, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इज प्रायोरिटी। भाई सेफ रहोगे तो और ट्रैक कर पाओ। वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर, दिस लोकेशन। कैमरा, पानी का स्वाद तो देखो भाई, भाई मार मुझे मार। हाँ भाई आगे हम जाएंगे विजय भाई, ठीक है, आगे एक वाटरफॉल है, अभी हम लोग नहाएंगे दबा के आधा घंटा और फिर रवाना होंगे पनवेल के लिए। We are just 500 meters ahead. Now we have reached at Changewadi Waterfall, which is also known as Prince Waterfall. Now let's see the breathtaking view from this waterfall. We had fun. It was really a beautiful day, mesmerizing view. Everything was fantastic. Such a nearby place from my residence. Thank you so much. Do visit this place. It's really beautiful. See you on the next trip. Goodbye. Adios. Sayonara. Zainan. Mai salamat.